Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring compatibility and having the installers ready. Check that your Revit version matches the Twinmotion plugin. Compatibility prevents missing features. Once done, sign into Epic Games Launcher and install Twinmotion, enabling the Revit export option inside the Twinmotion setup. Make sure Revit is closed before running the installer so files register correctly. This avoids permission errors and ensures the plugin copies to Revit's add-ins folder. After installation finishes, restart Windows if prompted to apply shell and registry changes. Next, launch the Twinmotion installer with administrative rights so it can write to program files and Revit add-ins. During installation, explicitly select the Revit export or plugin component for your installed Revit year. This creates the proper versioned folder under Revit/add-ins. Once installed, open Revit and look for the Twinmotion panel on the Add-ins or External Tools ribbon. This confirms registration. If the panel is present, try a quick export on a small model to initialize asset syncing and let Twinmotion build its cache. To complete setup, perform your first export to Twinmotion from Revit. Select the desired objects and click Export, then allow Twinmotion to open and complete the import. If the Twinmotion ribbon is missing or export fails, reinstall the plugin, run Revit's repair, or manually place the add-in file and plugin DLLs into Revit's add-ins folder for the correct year. One troubleshooting tip: check Windows file permissions and antivirus logs. Security software often quarantines plugin DLLs, preventing the add-ins from appearing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.